Hey guys, this is a 2018 CRF 110 doing an oil change here. You're going to need three things. You're going to need some 10W40 motorcycle oil, SAE. Don't mess up with that. You need a 17mm wrench or socket and an oil drain pan. Drain pan on this bike. So a 17mm bolt. Crack that loose. Drain the oil. Oh yeah, it's all black. Definitely need it. First oil change right here, maybe five hours. Definitely needed it. Gotta take care of your bikes, guys. Don't beat your shit up and not do oil change. It's just gonna blow up. You want to clean the surface where this seats up against before you put it back in. You can kind of lean the bike to get the rest of the oil out if it's not coming out very easy. So you put the bolt back in. Crank it tight, don't tighten it too much. You want to strip the bolt. Then you just fill it up right here, the flathead. Unscrew this, fill it up with some 10W40. Sometimes get some dirt under here, just clean it out. Careful not to get it in the motor. That's it, just install the cap, tighten it down a little bit, that's it.